Welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Volvo XC90 Ride On electric car for kids. This is a present for my oldest son. He's turning 5 this summer and we got it from us and our parents. It's not cheap, but it's really worth it because your kids can not only have fun with it, but they actually learn how to drive. I've noticed when they started driving it, they've improved so much, so they're actually learning to drive like a real car. In this video we're gonna unbox it, assemble the ride-on, let the kids ride it, and I'll tell you all the benefits and negative points about it. So let's get started. This brand manufactures not only Volvo, you can also buy Mercedes, Land Rover and others, so they manufacture under license. And the Volvo is available in two colors. There is black and silver. I went with the black one. Both paints are metallic paints and it looks really good. Assembly will require one person and will take approximately 1 hour to complete. The wheels are actually rubberized and they're not like the cheap ones, hard plastic, which makes it pretty quiet on pavement. Let's take a closer look. You're gonna get a set of 2 keys. Don't lose them because you need it to turn on the ride-on. You have the owner's manual and instructions how to assemble. The steering wheel, the aux cable, some parts for the wheels, remote control, mirrors. We have the charging cable. The seats are actually soft and they're kinda leather. The rear taillights light up with LEDs like the real Volvo, and the front headlamps, also the daytime running lights, light up like the new Volvo headlights, the Tor LED lights, which makes it look very cool. Let's flip it over and start assembling. Now, the instructions manual are not very good. Also, look, one plastic cap is missing on the wheel, which actually did not affect the ride-on, but it was missing out of the box. Assembling the 2 motors, it's powered by 2 electric motors on the rear 2 wheels, so it's a rear wheel drive car. The front wheels just spin freely. And now just securing the 2 motors to the frame, and we're gonna move over to the front wheels. There is a storage compartment in the front under the hood, and the hood is a little bit difficult to close perfectly, like kids will not be able to completely and flawlessly close it, so I had to do it. And now to the wiring, and again the instructions are pretty bad, so I had to spend a little bit more time there. The headrests into position, and that little Swedish flag is a nice touch, but it's completely behind the seat, so I had to unscrew it and relocate it like this, so now it's properly visible. Another big negative point is installing the seats. There is 2 screws that secure here and they're very hard to align on the frame, so it's a pretty poor design. Attaching the steering wheel, no problems there, and it also has a horn and audio controls for the radio and MP3 player. Attaching the mirrors, easy, just click them onto the doors. The ignition has 3 positions. Insert the key and first click will turn on the ride-on, second click will turn on the front and rear lights. The switch on the right adjusts the speed, you have low or high. Left switch will adjust between manually controlling or from the remote. The gear shifter, you have forward to go forward, in the middle is park, and backwards will be reverse. Charging the ride-on, you have a power adapter, pretty nice that you don't have to directly attach it to the battery, so you just plug it under the seat and you're charging the battery. Replace the battery for a bigger one because out of the box it comes with a smaller battery, which I did. The remote control, the screw was missing, so I had to attach a new screw. And let's take a look. The car is equipped with suspension. It doesn't have shock absorbers, but it has springs, which makes the ride a little bit softer on rough terrain. A little break for me and I'm gonna continue. And here's the assembled result. The car looks pretty cool. It looks like a miniature Volvo XC90, to be honest. Even the interior looks like the new Volvo. I'm excited. Now, We're gonna take the Ride On out. I'm actually using right now the remote, so if your kids can't or they're too small to control the car, you the parents can use the remote, which is very nice. And this would be right now what you see is the slowest it can go. I'm gonna switch it into a higher speed, and this would be the fastest. And as I said before, the wheels are rubberized, so it makes less noise on the pavement, unlike other cheap ones. Now let's see if it's gonna fit in the Volvo XC90 boot. And yes, it fits just within millimeters. I'm happy that we're not limited to just riding it around the home. We can actually take it with us anywhere we like in the city. And I will put all additional information in the description below. I hope that you are gonna like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
Я приехал, чтобы водичка.